What's up, guys? Welcome to the 86 Life. It was a hot day today. It was like 100 degrees. It's weird for end of summer. But anyways, I went to parts store. I got some belts and some engine degreaser. And we'll just continue on where we left off. So after cleaning all the gasket material up yesterday, I went ahead and put alcohol on the surfaces today. And we are going to reinstall the thermostat. Okay, here it is reinstalled, and I'm going to use this time now to spray the rest of the engine bay with the degreaser. Alright, now we'll let it sit for a bit and then just brush it off. Alright, it's been sitting for a bit, but I'm just going to work this in really well and then spray again if needed. I think I need a toothbrush. I don't get a toothbrush. Wow, it's just coming off in chunks. Wow, it's so thick. Alright, here's after the cleaning. It's not perfect, but it looks a lot cleaner than it was before. So I'm happy with that. Okay, pouring the acid in here. And I got the sacrificial foam piece below. And right away I see a crazy amount of smoke. So do this in a well-ventilated area. Yeah, it smells like a little bit like stink balls, I guess. Oh yeah, it's coming out right here. Even though I sealed this up down here with, what is it, like a metal band, it's still coming out of there. Okay, so that went really wrong. Long story short is the acid got on the floor and I didn't want it to ruin my floor, so I kind of freaked out, stopped filming, cleaned all that up, and then now we're here. Oh, and then I flushed the radiator out. It didn't seem like it ate away any of the calcified stuff on the inside, so I just rinsed it out a couple times, and yeah. We'll see how it goes. I think the main problem was the thermostat anyway. So now that this is fixed and working and new, hopefully it won't have overheating issues anymore. But I will update how the car is doing in the future. So we're just putting this thing back together. This is the new fan with the it feels like it's a tighter fan clutch, so I think it'll be better. I don't know if it was spinning at the right speed, while on the freeway and at high speed or whatever. I kind of think of it like spinners, those wheels. Where like when you go, sometimes they would speed up fast with the rims, and then sometimes if it had like really good bearings, or as an analogy to this, if it had a really soft or very liquidy clutch, it wouldn't spin as fast or get up to speed as fast. So I don't know, maybe that has something to do with the cooling, maybe not. But I would prefer this one over the other one because the viscous part of the clutch in here is a lot better. So yeah, we'll keep going here. Oh crap, that's not good. Fell into the water down below. That's gonna be a pain to get out of there. Let's fast forward here to the belts on, and they just need to be tightened down still. And then all the radiator plumbing can be put back in. Alright, so finally putting the radiator back in now. Let's get this lined up here. are seated. Now I'll just tighten these guys up. Close to the end, at least for this part, the radiator part, and thermostat. Tomorrow I want to do the pan hard bar first. So I don't know if I'm gonna make time during the day. Usually I do, well, at least the last few of these videos I've been doing at night, because my boy's sleeping. So I might do the lateral bar tomorrow during the day though, just because it'll be a lot easier to see under the car. And then the vinyl wrap, I'm not sure yet. I want to at least use that rubber wheel to try to remove the adhesive stuff. So we'll see how that goes. I'm at least going to do that. If not, you know, possibly even starting some of the vinyl wrap or finishing, because I guess I can't just start it. But yeah, so let's fill this guy up, and then tomorrow I'm gonna bleed out all the air. It's like 1:30 in the morning right now, so I don't really want to start the car. Yeah. Oh crap, that was way overboard. Man overboard. And where'd that cap go? Oh. Radiator fluid, coolant everywhere. Alright, and then we'll bleed this guy tomorrow. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. I didn't seem like I got that much done today. Actually, this whole week anyways. I had planned on being done with all of this stuff by today already. It's almost 2 a.m. on Tuesday 2 a.m. and I didn't even do the axle, so that's probably gonna have to be postponed until the next week I'm off. So my work schedule, I do 7 days on, 7 days off graveyards. So, you know, when I want to film stuff, I can't always get stuff out just because I'm either at work and it's really hard to do anything really on a graveyard schedule, or on the weeks off, I want to spend time with my boy. So it's kind of like, you know, family time versus, you know, my own time. You have to find some kind of a balance. So tomorrow will be lateral bar, the sway bar bushings, and I gotta bleed the radiator, can't forget that. And then I hope the alternator still works, because I left the battery on and I touched the alternator with my wrench and it sparked. So hopefully it didn't burn anything out, I don't know. Yeah, but note to self, when working on any electricals, take off the negative terminal of the battery. Yeah, that was kind of a scare. So hopefully the car starts. Yeah, sway bar bushings, the axle will probably have to wait, and then some of the vinyl wrap. Yeah, I think that's it. Hopefully the car runs cool. Most of the time it would only stay cool during the night. I think this problem, this problem, the overheating problem, has been going on for maybe three months, maybe 4 months. So I should have looked at it a lot sooner, but it's hard because I don't always want to work on the car. But yeah, hopefully this fixes the overheating problem. I could never really drive it hard during the daytime. I just kept it around like 60 miles an hour, and I drive home in the middle of the night, so you know, that wasn't really a problem. It's cool enough to where I can drive a little faster, and then the thing doesn't overheat. So I am hopeful. Alright, that's the end of the video. If you liked it, let me know what you liked in the comments. If you didn't like it, let me know what you didn't like. And that's it. I think you guys have a good one. I will see you tomorrow.
Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know.